Hey guys, Phil at QB Dent Free. Was going to give you a fairly detailed little walkthrough of this little door dent on the Tesla front door. It's aluminium, it's got laminated glass, but I'm not going to be able to give you much of a walkthrough because I've got my helper here today, so I've got enough distractions. I've just got to get this done. Got the door apart. You can see the brace work, we're working around inside there. The dent's directly under that brace. But we can work underneath that with a whale tail. That'll slide up underneath the brace there and we'll be able to just, lots of little twisting motions, get that one sorted out. A little bit of crown work where it's raised. High area up above the dent there, so we can knock that back down as we go and then just take a bit of time to make sure we get that body line right. Got some decent progress on the Tesla door. Obviously very messy, still a lot of work to do there. But at this stage, I'm going to grab a polisher, polish some of those scratches and scuffs out of it. That'll just help to clear up the area so we can see these. I've hit a little roadblock on the dent on this Tesla door. There are a few little highs, a few little crowns around the edges of the dent there that need to be knocked down. Only problem is, I've got a pup sleeping. Here we are guys, this Tesla door's all finished up. Repairs come up really nicely. It was a little bit of a pain in the end. By the time we had the sound deadener, the aluminium, the laminated glass and that body line all to deal with. But we boxed on. Obviously very good result, everyone should be happy with that. This damage happened in a car park. So the person who's done the damage on this owned up to it, and they are paying, they're taking the bill for this. So the owner's got his car back, good as new here, and not out of pocket at all. Tools used for this repair, really straightforward. Couple of Dentcraft whale tails. Every dent guy should have Dentcraft whale tails, and then just a couple of different knockdowns. Hopefully you guys find these videos more interesting than what Chips has. Let me know if you want me to do more of these videos. If you're bored by them, anything you'd like me to change. I'll take on any feedback you're able to give. Thank you.